This is for all the introverts who hate doing the small talk and are unsure of how to interact in a crowded room. I was born in a very small village of Haryana. And while growing up as a girl in a conservative background, मुझे अच्छे तरीके से ये ज़रूर सिखाया गया था कि स्ट्रेंजर से बात नहीं करनी, कैसे चुप रहना है, कम बोलना है being a girl. But nobody taught me how to talk in a room full of strangers and have the confidence and ease to network. So when I joined the Indian Army, the biggest obstacle for me was not the physical training, was not the mental hardships which I went through, but the most terrorizing part for me was how to interact with people in parties. Every single time you have to face your senior officers, junior officers, your peer group, and other people, chief guest, and as an introvert, if you never know how to interact with people, you will feel like as a left out standing at a corner not knowing what to do. So let me tell you a 4-step formula which I applied and learned how to network with people. So this is called the RASL method. R means researched about all the guests who are coming to the party, know the list very well. Number 2, A means ask questions to them about their field. Like, let me give you an example. I always used to see this gentleman officer playing squash and attending the gym. I always also saw him moving with a golf kit, going for playing golf. So I used to go into these parties, see these people, what they do, and ask them, "Sir, I've seen you playing golf and I'm really interested. However, I don't know how to play golf. Can you please help me out in doing that?" Once I went to this officer who was from the intelligence branch, and I went to him and I said, "Sir, I am from the legal branch, but I'm very curious to know about how the intelligence branch works. Can you just give me your 2 cents about that?" So when you ask questions like this, you have to speak less and you give the power to other person to speak. And from those conversations, you can build up ahead. Number 3, S, show interest. So when they are speaking in response to your question, be very curious. Listen to them very carefully. So coming to number 4, that is L, listen carefully. That's it, what you need to do. So I used to mark these 4-5 officers, create questions for them, let them speak, show my curiousness to understand what they're saying, and listen really carefully. And the conversations used to build up. Eventually, I started making friends. I learned how to play squash. I learned a little bit of playing golf, and I think I became a social animal. And if nothing else, remember one thing: start with a question. Start with a question, because when you ask a question, you don't have to speak much. You let the other person speak. Let me know in the comments below if you know about any other methods which can help introverts like me to interact and network well in a setup full of strangers. I'm Captain Ritu Kumar Singh, an ex-Indian Army officer, a communication coach, who is here to help you out, build up your personality with all the experiences which I have had in my life. Share this reel with someone in need and follow me for more such concepts.